Welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson. This is my daughter Remington, and today we are going to be testing out some lemon energy balls. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you probably don't know, but I made those oatmeal energy balls. I'll link them over here if you want to go check them out. A while ago, and literally we make them all the time. My husband loves them for breakfast. My kids love them as a snack. She's obsessed with the energy balls, so I was like, hey, let's try some lemon ones. And she's a lemon lover, just like her mama. We're gonna test them out today. So my sister actually sent me this link, so I'll leave that down in the description below. So after you watch this, you can go there, get the ingredients and amounts, and check it out, and then come back and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. But anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So if you wanna see how this recipe turns out, just keep watching and we will get testing, huh?
Yeah. Good stuff, Mom.
Thanks. Boom.
I want to make some lemon cheese balls. I'm faster than cat. These are lemon. Here's lemon.
Thank you.
I will be What did it all by myself? I did it.
Ready?
Okay, can I dump it?
Yeah. Do it, girl.
Now. Some lemon.
Yeah.
I guess I would put it on the plate.
Here's your energy ball.
Thanks.
All right, so we're just gonna take these teeny weeny ones and give it a taste and see if it's love at first bite. Do you want to go first? Is it yummy?
Yep.
What's it taste like?
It's like lemon cheese balls.
They smell like a lemon cookie, which is what the recipe's called.
Yep. That's pretty good, Mom.
Oh, wow. Wow, these are really good. They're not super sweet, but I like that in my lemon desserts. The lemon flavor stands out really, really well. I think I may have added a little bit too much water because they are very soft, but I feel like that's kind of expected with these kinds of desserts or these treats. I mean, I really don't even know what to say. Like, the nuts don't stand out in their own way. The lemon is just like really popping, but it's not like sour. Everything's really balanced. I think you guys should make these. I rate these a 10 out of 10. Literally took less than 10 minutes to make. Do you like them?
Yep. I like them. Those are really good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I want another one.
Kids love them. I love them. I think you guys should give them a shot. So if you want to, I have the description or the link down in the description below. So if you want to go make these, go ahead and come back and let me know what you guys think of these little energy lemon desserts. I know that this is something we are going to be making a lot more regularly around here. But thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me today. And don't forget to subscribe while you're here and leave me a thumbs up. And I will see you guys with my next video.
Bye.
Bye!
This is a square.